This is going to simply take me to the main application. So this application is a neon media visualizer for both audio and video player. All right, so in this particular video I'm going to simply show you how this application works and how you can actually build this app for yourself. So in this section right here, if you click on this add file, this is going to simply redirect you to the application where you can simply go ahead and select. All right, so if I select this one right here, it's going to simply take me to the app. You can see the app is already working. The app is already working. From here you can simply increase the volume. You can increase the volume from this section. Okay, so if you scroll down here in this section, you can see this type of visualizer you can go for, right? So this is the bars visualizer, this is wave visualizer, this is circle visualizer. I built this app recently and I'm going to simply show you how you can as well build this app. Okay, so in this section you can simply go ahead and customize the visualizer on this very section by selecting any of these. You can see right here, if you decide to decrease it, you can decrease it. If you decide to increase it, you can do that. If you make it smooth, you can see right here, this is how smooth it is right here. Okay, so in this section you can simply change the color from here. You can decide to select red and you can see right here it has already changed. Then on this section you can decide to select blue. Okay, then you can see right here everything has already changed on this very section. And for your information, this is one of my songs, all right, back then when I was doing music. All right, this is how you can simply select the color. All right, so this application right here, you can simply go ahead and build this app for yourself.
Hey guys, it's Eve. Just started the day and seriously, look at this garden. Not a bad place to wake up in. Let's see what today brings.
So if you want to make it
okay, so apparently there's just one rule here. Don't eat the fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil.
Then you can decrease the volume.
There's a serpent.
Decrease it.
And it basically told me that if I eat the fruit, I'll understand everything. Like,
you can change the wave.
Wow, that's actually really good. Kind of crunchy, kind of forbidden. Not bad at all.
Okay, so if you want to select another movie, you can simply go ahead and select another movie from here. So all you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to show you how to do this and how you can just build this app for yourself. So the first thing you need to do is simply click the link in the video description of this particular video. You're going to simply see our Telegram channel. Go ahead and join that Telegram channel. When you join this Telegram channel, click on this up button here, go to files. Okay, then you're going to see application right here. Download this app. This is Padded Vibes app. This app is going to simply help you to know what you are generating and also help you to build the application for yourself and also make it display advertisement. Okay, so if your application don't display advertisement after building it, go ahead and download this app, right? And if you're using this app, then your app is going to simply display advertisement. Okay, so you need to do is simply go ahead and download the app. I've already installed the app on my own mobile phone. All right, so this is the app right here. You can show right here, this is the app, this is Padded Vibes. Then click on it, open it. All right, so once you open it, the first thing you need to do is simply click on this HTML app viewer. All right, so when you click on this is going to simply take you to this very page. Click on the close button right here. Okay, then the second thing you need to do right now, if you don't want to stress yourself with the prompt and all of that, because you have to simply undergo different prompts for you to generate this HTML code to the final segment that works. All right, so if you don't want all those stress, just visit seller/m/padded vibes. All right, this is the page you have to visit. This is it right here, seller.com/m/padded vibes. You're going to simply see the source code which I've already provided there, then go straight in building this application with the tool that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, this is what it's going to simply give you. Then go ahead and click on the copy button. When you copy that, head straight to this HTML viewer right here. Then you have to simply hit on this, select everything right here, click on select all. When you select all, click on paste. All right, when you select all, just hit on select all and you hit on this paste button right here. You paste it right here. Okay, you can see we've already copied that and we've already pasted it right here. Then you click on this run code. Okay, you can see this is the code right here. Everything works smoothly on this very section. Okay, so when you get this, when you see this, then you know that your app is already set. Okay, and there's no issue with it and all of that. Okay, so you need to do right now is simply go ahead and go back to the editor. When you go back to the editor, then scroll down to this very section, click on this very section right here, then you scroll down a little bit, you're going to simply see this admob app builder. Okay, so if you're using this tool right now, it is going to simply make your ads to show on your application. All right, so even if you've been building from the browser section and it doesn't work, then this section right here is going to simply work for you. All right, so you click on this admob app builder right here. Make sure you sign up and save the password on this very application so that you don't have to be logging in every single time. Okay, so let's select this. I've already saved my own password, you can see right here. So I have to simply select it, then add my own password, then add my fingerprint from my phone, then click on this sign in button, then click on this create app. After that, you click on this very section right here, then click on add your app name. Let's say the name of the app is MV, that music video visualizer or visual. All right, then I'm going to simply go ahead and create a logo for it from Canva and come to this very section, type in music logo. All right, I'm going to simply select this one right here, then edit this. Click on this very section right here to click on save, download, then download as PNG, save it. The logo is done downloading. Then go back here to your app, then click on this, choose a file, then go to your recent download. Okay, then add some description, music and video player visualizer. Okay, then click on the next button, select your theme from this section. So I prefer to go with black, then click on next, click on create an empty app, go to app manager. Then on this section right now, you have to simply make some changes to your app by clicking on this section right here. Click on create section, then select HTML section, then click on the next button, add the name of the app here again, music. Okay, we said MV. Okay, just add the name, music and video player visualizer. Okay, then you have to paste the code here. Click on the save button, go back. All right, okay, so when you are done with that, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this download app. So you can see right here the app is already set, then click on this download. So you can see right here the app is downloading from this very section. All right, so after downloading the app, you're going to see right here, this is going to simply pop up on your files. Okay, so I'm going to simply go over to this section that says apps, and under download, you're going to see the app right here. Okay, so in this section, you can change the name by clicking on this button here, then click on rename, then add MV, then visual. All right, then click on rename. The app is set. Then we're going to simply go ahead and install this app. Click on install. Right, so the app is set. Then click on the open button. You can see the logo right here. All right, so the app is cool and set. So click on this add file. Then let's select video file. Now let's go ahead and select video file.
Hey guys, it's Eve. just started the day and seriously, look at this garden. Not a bad place to wake up in. Let's see what today brings.
So if you want to make it
okay, so apparently there's just one rule here. Don't eat the fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil.
Then you can decrease the volume.
There's a serpent.
This is basically how to create this type of app. And all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and publish your application on app stores like Aptoid, APK Pure. If you don't want to spend money, most of these free app stores are going to simply allow you to get installs, get downloads to your app, and get people to use your application. And this is going to simply work for you no matter where you're watching from. So if there's any specific app you want me to build or show you how to build, just comment that on the comment section. If I see your comment, then I'm going to simply make a video on how to build that, okay, with just your mobile phone without writing any single line of code. Then you monetize it with any ad network of your choice like admob. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel. See you in the next one.